Hello everyone. Today shall discuss exercise 4.3 question number 1 4. Construct the following quadrilaterals. Rectangle OKAY. First of all, let us draw a rough sketch of this rectangle, and the name of this rectangle is OKAY. Here it is given that OK is equal to 7 cm and K is equal to 5 cm, right? And you know that in a rectangle all the angles are 90 degree. That means this is also 90 degree. This is 90 degree. And this angle is also 90 degree, right? Now we'll draw this quadrilateral or rectangle OKY. For that, take a ruler, and with the help of this ruler, take 7 centimeter length line segment. This is 7 centimeter. Here, see, this is exactly 7 centimeter, and the name of this line is OK. The name of this line is OK at O, and this is K. At point O, make an angle of 90 degree with the help of protractor. With the help of protractor, we are making 90 degree. You see, with the help of this protractor, we'll make an angle of 90 degree here at the point O. Right? Make an angle of 90 degree with the help of this protractor. This point is 90 degree. And also at point K, make an angle of 90 degree here also. At point K, make an angle of 90 degree here also. Right? Now draw this line with the help of the ruler. Let us draw this line. With the help of the ruler, draw this line. Help of this line, draw this line and perpendicular at point O, that is, this is 90 degree. With the help of this, again make an angle of 90 degree at point K. Right? I see you got OK as 7 centimeter. This is 7 centimeter, 7 centimeter, and this is 90 degree, and this angle is also 90 degree. Now we'll find A point, that is with the help of protractor. The help of this ruler, with the help of this ruler, take the compass. Let us take the compass, and with the help of this compass, take this pointer at point 0. Take this pointer at point 0 and take an arc of 5 centimeter. Take an arc of 5 centimeter. Here you see, we are taking an arc of 5 centimeter. Here you see, this is exactly 5 centimeter. And taking the point at K, make an arc of 5 centimeter here. Taking this pointer at K, make an arc of 5 centimeter. This is 5 centimeter, right? And you know that in a rectangle, opposite sides are equal. Therefore, OY is equal to 5 centimeter. Again, we take this pointer at point O and make an arc here of 5 centimeter, right? That means we got the 2 points. This is A. This point is A point. This is A. And this is Y. Right? If we join this one, YA, join this one with the help of the ruler. Right? I see here that this is 90 degree. This is AK is 5 centimeter. We know that in rectangle opposite sides are equal. Since this is 5 centimeter, this will also be 5 centimeter. And since OK is 7 centimeter, Y is also 7 centimeter. Again we are repeating how we draw this rectangle OKAY. First of all, take OK 7 centimeter, right? At point O, make an angle of 90 degree. At point K, make an angle of 90 degree. From this point O, make an arc of 5 centimeter. From this point K, make an arc of 5 centimeter. This length is 5 because in a rectangle opposite sides are equal. We got this point and this point. This is A, this is Y. Join this line. Here you see this is a rectangle. This is 90 degree. This is 90 degree. This angle is also 90 degree. This is also 90 degree. And these sides, opposite sides are equal. Therefore, OY is equal to AK, that is 5 centimeter, and OK is equal to YA, that is 7 centimeter. Dear friends, if you like this video, if you like this video, please if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.